In this lecture, we'll install Python, Django, and MysqlClient, which are required for our application to run. The very first step is to install Python. So go back to your AWS console, hit Ctrl+C to come out of the top command, clear this, install Python 3 to get the latest Python. Say Y for yes, I want to install this and all the packages that are required. Once that is in place, you can use the pip command to install Django. You can copy that pip3 install Django, paste it, and Django will be installed for us. And to install the MysqlClient, we need these packages to be available. I found that without these available, if you try to run the pip3 install MysqlClient, you will face some issues. So if you have any other issues even after running this, please go Google and figure out, because these keep changing. But as of now, once I have these packages available, the MysqlClient seems to work seamlessly. So we have Django installed. Install these packages that are required: MySQL devel, GCC devel, and Python devel. Enter. Say yes, I want to install all those. And the last one is pip install MysqlClient, so that we can connect to the MySQL or MariaDB from within our Django application. There we go. So we have everything set up, and the last step, we are going to pull the application, do the migrations, and see it in action.